This video is intended for educational use and features substantial original commentary throughout.
Or something that will pick us up. So what song makes you the happiest? Obviously it's going to be confrontations. But scientifically, there's one song about others that makes people happy. Professor Michael Bonshore, who has a PhD in music psychology and studied music in relation to well-being,